In this video, we will discuss the purpose of the planner inside of Forethought. Each teacher needs to set up their own individual planner inside of Forethought. You can access this on the My Planner tab when logging into Forethought. You're going to set up your schedule inside of Forethought as a place to post your lesson plans. When we set up the planner, you're going to set up a schedule and then add entries to that schedule. So for example, on my schedule, I want to add entries that are tied to learning standards. You can also add entries that are not tied to learning standards to use as placeholders, but these are not required. One reason to include entries that do not have learning standards is to use them as a placeholder to type up notes or document what you did during your conference period. However, you are only required to include entries that you teach. Each planner will have a schedule, and then you will add entries to that schedule. If I teach multiple preps, I may have more entries. However, my planner will work just fine by only selecting one entry. If my role as a teacher requires multiple preps over multiple grade levels, I do not have to select all of those courses to add as entries. Again, I can just add one entry depending on the number of lesson plans that I need to post. You can use the handout below to set up your planner or watch the video and follow those instructions.